Hello everyone, in this video we will review the Actual Budget. Actual Budget is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their money with a focus on privacy and control. It works offline and stores your data locally, meaning nothing is uploaded to the cloud. This makes it a good choice for people who care about keeping their financial data private. The app uses a zero-based budgeting method where every dollar is assigned a job. You manually enter your income and expenses, which gives you full control over your budget. It has a clean, simple interface and works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. Users like that it's fast, lightweight, and doesn't push subscriptions or ads. However, it's not connected to your bank account, so you have to put all your transactions by hand, which may not be convenient for everyone. Overall, Actual Budget is a great choice if you want a private, no-frills budgeting tool that helps you stay on top of your finances without needing to share your data online. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.